Hello there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Renee, and today we have two special guests, Lucy, the mysterious black cat, and Leo, the playful orange tabby. It's almost Thanksgiving, and we know many of you want to share the love with your feline friends by letting them join in on the feast. But before you do, it's essential to know which human foods are safe for your cats and which ones should never be on their menu. Let's dive right into it. First up, the safe options. There are a few Thanksgiving treats you can share with your fur babies in moderation. Turkey. A small amount of boneless cooked turkey without any seasonings is generally safe for cats. Remove the skin and bones before offering them a little piece. Plain sweet potatoes. Cats can have plain cooked sweet potatoes without any butter, spices, or sweeteners. It's a healthy treat that they might enjoy. Plain green beans. These can be a good source of fiber for your cats. Just make sure they are plain and cooked without any added seasonings or sauces. Pumpkin puree. A small amount of plain pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, can aid in digestion for cats. It's a great choice, but remember, serve it in moderation. And there is also this particular cat food company that makes pumpkin puree, especially for your cat. Mashed potatoes. Plain, unseasoned mashed potatoes are generally safe for cats, but again, keep the portions small. Always be cautious and consult your vet if your cat has dietary restrictions or allergies. Now, the no-no list. Foods that are off limits to your cats during Thanksgiving. Most of these, for those of us that are cat owners, are pretty well common sense. But if you're thinking about getting a cat or just plain don't know any better, just heed this advice. Bones. Never give your cat turkey or chicken bones. They can splinter and cause choking, internal damage, or even be fatal. Onions and garlic. These ingredients are often used in Thanksgiving dishes and can be toxic to your cats, potentially causing severe health issues. Fatty foods. High-fat foods like turkey skin or gravy can lead to pancreatitis in cats. Keep these far away from your feline friends. Bread dough. Raw bread dough can expand in your cat's stomach, causing discomfort and serious issues. Alcohol and caffeine. These are absolutely no-goes for cats. Even a small amount can be extremely dangerous, and that includes chocolate. Always prioritize your cat's safety and well-being. It's best to stick with specifically made cat treats or the regular cat food. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Lucy, Leo, and I hope you have a safe and joyful Thanksgiving with your furry friends. Remember, a little love and attention can go a long way in making them feel special. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more feline-friendly content. Have a perfect Thanksgiving, and until next time, take care. And we'll see you in the next video.